Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn our new lesson 8, Alauddin and the Magic Lamp, page number 41. In this lesson, we are going to learn a good story. It is very interesting story and magic story also. This story you may see the movie or animation story. Okay, now we are going to learn as a lesson. Let's go for the story. In Arabia, there lived a widow. In Arabia, that is the place name. There lived a widow. Widow means who husband died. That lady is called widow. Okay, widow means a woman who has lost her husband. Then that lady is called widow. And her son Alauddin. So in Arabia there was one widow and her son name is Alauddin. One day Alauddin was playing with his friends. So one day Alauddin and his friends were playing. A stranger came there. A stranger came there. Stranger means one person we cannot see so far. We didn't see that person so far. That person is called stranger. Okay, a stranger came there. He wore a black cloak. So he wore black color dress and had a long beard and stick in hand. So he wore black color dress and long beard and one stick also that stranger has. He gave sweets to the children and some gifts to Alauddin. Okay, so after that the stranger he gave some sweet to Alauddin friends and some gifts to Alauddin. Who gave sweets to Alauddin friends? Stranger. He asked Alauddin to come with him. So after giving sweets and gifts to Alauddin, the stranger asked to Alauddin to come with him. Alauddin was not willing at first as he did not know the man. So Alauddin, while called the stranger Alauddin to come with him, Alauddin didn't agree to go with him because he didn't see that person. He is an unknown person, so how he thought how I will go with him. So that's why he didn't go with him first. The stranger said, after that the stranger said, if you come with me, I will give you wonderful gift. Okay, so first time the stranger called to Alauddin to come with him, but he is not ready to come with him. So after that, the stranger told to Alauddin, if you come with me, I will give you a wonderful gift. Alauddin, being a brave boy, decided to go with him. With him means that stranger person. Okay, after the stranger told him, I will give you, if you come with me, I will give you wonderful gift. Then he decided to go with him and he decided if become a brave boy. So brave means if any type of dangers comes, then he can manage. So he became brave. So after that he decided to go with him. So they both reached a rocky place. So after decided to go with him, Alauddin then stranger, they both reached the rocky place. So there were bushes here and there. So in the rocky places there were bushes here and there. They reached a large rock hidden in the bushes. So in between the bushes one large rock hidden is there in the bushes. So they went there. The strange man was a magician. So the stranger now he became become a magician. So the strange man was a magician. The strange man was a magician. He knows some magic. So he touched the rock with his stick. So he has a long stick. No, with that stick he touched the rock. Wow! So after touching, something happened there. So wow! The stone moved to one side. So when the magician touched with rock with his stick, then the big stone is moved from one side. There was a cave having very narrow steps going there. So there was a cave having very narrow steps going down. So in that in cave is there. In the cave, one footsteps was there. Okay, it's going downside. So there is a beautiful garden. So the magician asked Aladdin to go down the steps. So the magician, so stranger now he is a magician. So the magician asked the Aladdin to go behind the steps put into the garden. So he said, the magician said, there is a beautiful garden. So the magician said, there is a beautiful garden. A lamp is burning there. So in that beautiful garden, one lamp is burning there. So what shall I do there? So after said like that magician, then Aladdin asked, so one beautiful garden is there. In that garden, one lamp was burning. So what shall I do there? What shall I do there in the garden? Said Aladdin. So magician means a person with a magical power. Okay? Magician means a person with a magical power. Beautiful means blessing the senses of mind. Okay? Beautiful means blessing the senses of mind aesthetically. So burning and fire. Burning means and fire or very hot. Okay? Burning means or fire or very hot or bright. Let's continue the story. You put out the lamp and bring it to me. So Aladdin asked the magician now. So one beautiful garden was there. In that garden, one lamp was burning. So what shall I do then? So Aladdin asked the magician. For that, magician gave reply to the Aladdin, you just go there and put off that lamp and bring it to me. So the magician wants that lamp. That's why he sent the Aladdin into the garden. Take this ring. Then after that, the magician gave one ring to the Aladdin. It will help you in case of any danger. So if you have, bring the lamp if you have any type of problem or difficult, any critical situation, the ring will help you. So Aladdin went down the steps and soon reached the garden. So Aladdin took that ring and went into the garden to follow the footsteps. Okay? After some time he reached the garden. It was a garden of pearls. Okay? It was a garden of pearls, diamonds and gold. So in that garden it's full of diamonds, pearls and gold. Soon Aladdin found the lamp. So after saw all this, soon Aladdin found the lamp. He put out the lamp and took it. So when he saw that lamp, he put off and he took that lamp. He climbed up the stairs and reached the entrance. After took the lamp, he climbed the stairs and reached the entrance. Now he didn't reach that magician, but he reached the entrance. Uncle, please help me. After that, Aladdin shouted as a magician to the magician as a uncle. Okay? From that entrance, Aladdin shouted as a magician, uncle. Please help me, uncle. Please help me. Aladdin called that magician man to help him. So he said to the magician. So he called to the magician to help him. So that means he now is danger. But the old man asked for the lamb. So why he called the magician to help him means one old man was there. He asked that lamb. Okay, that old man, he wants that lamb. When Alauddin didn't give him, so when Alauddin didn't give him that lamb, he closed the cave with the rock. So he didn't give the lamb. So the old man, he got anger and he closed the cave with the rock and went away. Then the old man went away. Alauddin was terrified. So Alauddin was terrified. He has too much fear. He has a fear. So in that fear, he don't know what to do. So he didn't know what he do. As he folded his hands, so extreme fear he has. So because of that fear, he doesn't know what to do. So he closed his hands and started to pray. He rubbed the rings. The magician gave one ring to the Alauddin now. So after pray, he rubbed the ring. Okay, he rubbed the ring. As the ring was rubbed, while the ring was cleaned. Okay, while ring was cleaned, the genie. So one person appeared in front of the Alauddin. So that is genie. Of the ring appeared. Okay, so when he rubbed the ring, one person appeared in front of the Alauddin. Command me. The genie asked to the Alauddin, command me. I am ready to obey. So command me. I am ready to obey. So he was inside the cave. So he has extreme fear. In that case, he doesn't know what to do. So that time he closed his hand, he joined his hands and started to pray. After praying, he rubbed the ring. That ring was given by the magician. So while he rubbed the ring, the genie appeared in front of the Alauddin and he asked, command me, I am ready to obey. Thank you, my dear children. Rest of the stories we will continue the next class. So you may learn how many important words are given with a meaning. You learn and try to read the lessons from your book. Be safe and stay at home. Thank you.